Okay, now I'm going to show you. So once the keys are programmed, so still the car doesn't start, and we're gonna have to look another option. All right, so here, so what we're doing is going to the diagnostics, and straight away we can go for Chrysler if you want. Accept. You can go for the manual selection. Read VIN number, automatic selection. So it came up 2012 300 Chrysler. Yes. So hot function, emo and keys, check this. So clear multi-module VIN handshake immobilizer failure. So this is another option, but before go to that, what you have to do, just use the scan control unit, maybe this one, radio frequency hub. Read codes. Have a look. See, this is the code. Multi-module VIN handshake failure. So if this code is logged into the system, the two keys are programmed successful, and then it doesn't go for activating the engine ECU and relays for starting and everything. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna show you. Go back. Radio's frequency hub. Read codes. Clearly mentioning that multi-module VIN handshake failure. Special function. So clear multi-module VIN handshake immobilizer failure. Just hit this one. See what we can see. See, the purpose of this procedure is to clear the multi-module VIN handshake immobilizer failure, which prevents the vehicle from starting when it is set. The failure will get set anytime the VIN in the BCM, PCM and instrument panel cluster do not match on a vehicle. Okay. In progress, please wait. Establishing vehicle communication. The multi-module VIN handshake immobilizer failure flag is not currently set. This vehicle does not have VIN handshake problem. Okay, because I already done this one, so had this problem before. Now okay. All right. Yeah, so this is another look. Then if you have this problem, we'll look and you go for this option.